2013 BMW X1. Did the valve cover gasket. It's a N20 engine. After I replaced the valve cover gasket, had a crank no start, and after a couple of searches on YouTube, found out when you remove the high pressure fuel pump, it goes right about under there. It's where the white and green wire, that's a new retrofit kit that they sell. When you buy it, you're gonna have to redo the wires. As you can see on this one, had to cut it. It's a green and white wire, green to the red, white to the white, or it's a green and white. What happens when you put the high pressure fuel pump back on, has a spring, and if you don't, there's a cam follower or so that pushes against this spring, and if you just force it down and then you assemble everything, you'll get the crank no start. And after disassembling, it splits it, breaks, and you have to go back in, just remove. It's easier just to remove the fuel pump after you've done the valve cover gasket. So if you do the valve cover gasket, got a crank no start, check your high pressure fuel pump, make sure you put it in. You have to crank the engine over. It's pretty tight to get in there, but it's a 22 millimeter. And take the cam, get it all the way as low as you can, that the spring or the high pressure fuel pump rides on. This piece rides on. Get it to the bottom and then set it on and ease the bolts on both sides and assemble everything, and hopefully it works for you. Ordered all my parts from FCP Euro.